For those people who are looking to lose their belly fat with just laying in bed, today is your lucky day because I've got just the perfect, tried and tested, ancient technique which you all can try in the comfort of your home on your very bed to see effective results, especially for your belly fat. And there's a secret I want to share with you. Come closer. So this particular technique doesn't involve any limb movement. You just have to lay in a single position and see effective results in and around your belly to see magnificent slim waist. You know, when I was overweight, I only had one dream. I wish I had a magic wand where I could walk into a party with a slim waist and just the perfect outfit and have everybody come up to me and start complimenting me. It might sound shallow, but it ain't shallow. This is actually the dream of many. Most of you seeing this video must be imagining yourselves with a slim waist, but now is the chance you can actually achieve it with just one single move and you're at it. Gone are the days when the bigger belly you had, it was assumed you have a lot of wealth, but now health is the real wealth. The bigger your belly, the bigger the hazard it is going to cause to your health. So your belly fat is directly proportional to actually your internal health. The bigger the belly, the bigger are the chances that you might develop diabetes, cholesterol, hypertension, whatnot. So definitely now is the time for you to change all those habits and finally get rid of your belly fat. Even though this technique is very easy and effective, yet there are few people who should not be performing it. And in that list, the number one is if you're pregnant. You shouldn't be doing this very technique. Also, if you've recently had a delivery and you've had a C-section delivery. Also, if you've had a stomach surgery or if you have a hernia or any such stomach problem, be it pain, be it anything, then you should be avoiding this. Now let me show you this very simple and easy technique which you've all been waiting with bated breath to see and follow. For this technique to be mighty effective, you just need the help of a towel which you anyways have at your home. And to do it on the bed, there is only one condition. If you have a hard mattress, just like I do, then you can perform it on the bed. But if your mattress is not hard enough and you're using a soft mattress, then I suggest you switch to the floor, because if this exercise is not effective, then even the 3 minutes are going to go waste while performing this exercise. So we are going to roll out the towel just like this, and now we are going to start folding it. We have to make sure that it is nice and tight, because we are going to place it in a certain position so it affects the belly area, especially in and around the belly area, which has all the stubborn fat cells accumulated. So now, as you can see, I have rolled it tightly and the thickness of this is about 4 to 5 inches, not much. Don't make it loose, it should be tight enough. And now we have this ready, and now I'm going to show you the technique. So now I'm going to come into position with this very towel. I'm going to place it right here, where the belly button is below that on the back side. And then we are going to lay flat, just like this. So now that we are going to lay straight in bed, we are going to actually have about 8 to 10 inches distance between both the legs. Then we are going to join the toes inwards. The big toe should be touching each other. And then we are going to lay our hands like this, palm facing your face, join the pinky finger and take it back, lay it flat and try and stretch it as far as you can. So this position is just the perfect position, and you can see your belly is already coming downwards, which is a positive. You have to keep your breathing normal. You have to breathe in to the count of 5 and try and release to the count of 7. Try and release more than you breathe in. So now let's do it together. You're in the position already. Breathe in. So the longer you can hold in this position is going to be more beneficial for you. I suggest you do each round of 3 minutes each and do at least 3 rounds at one time. And you can actually repeat this exercise morning and evening. The only condition that you should be absolutely empty stomach. So early morning when you wake up, do it on empty stomach, and then again in the evening if you wish to repeat, make sure you do it at least 2 hours after eating any main meal. So that's it. This very technique is done, and I would expect you to do it every single day in the right kind of breathing exercise along with it, so you can see magnificent results. So now that I've explained this very technique to you, there are no more excuses. You have to do it every single day along with me. Play this video and follow along. Now, as a dietitian, I want to give you some tips and tricks through the day so you can see even better results. For that, you must eat 3 healthy meals, 2 healthy snacks through the day. Space your meals accordingly. Don't fill up your plate too much. In fact, switching to a quarter plate, a smaller size plate, will actually do the trick for many of you. And drink about 3 to 4 liters of water daily. Along with it, get about 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. That's also very important. And I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.